Most individuals will get used to what their normal level of shedding is, and in fact there's sometimes a bit of fluctuation over the year. If people are worrying about their hair loss, if a shedding has been going on for longer than maybe 1 to 2 months, it would be worth going to see your doctor and having some blood tests and investigating for that.
When I started to go into perimenopause, then I seem to lose, well, I think I've lost maybe a third of my hair. And I mean, and people do say, oh my God, your hair's so thick, your hair's so amazing. But it's not. You see here, this is where it's balding. I'm losing it all over.
The most important thing is to try and seek an underlying cause and treat that whenever possible, which would be perhaps correcting low iron, making sure that the thyroid is within the normal range, and optimising scalp health if there is scalp dermatitis. If people are worrying about their hair loss, then it would be sensible to see their own general practitioner. Their own general practitioner may perform some blood tests and may perhaps start them on a topical steroid on the scalp and possibly suggest the use of a hair growth stimulant such as minoxidil. If there is a more complex problem or things are still not settling, then a dermatologist should be consulted.